Okay, sixth grade, here are some examples of how to do mixed numbers to improper fractions and improper fractions to mixed numbers or whole numbers. On the left side in blue are some mixed numbers, and we call them mixed numbers, remember, because we combine both a whole number and a fraction together. On the first one, the 3 3/5, if I wanted to change that into a improper fraction, which is going to be a very handy skill to have whenever we start multiplying and dividing fractions, you're going to do what I call the U-turn. Remember we talked about that in class today. And it starts on the 5, and we multiply here and add here to get our new top. So again, we multiply the bottom times the whole number, and so 5 times 3 is 15, and then we add the numerator. So 15 plus 3 is 18, and that makes our new top. So that's where we get the U part, kind of goes sideways. And then the bottom always stays the same, so the denominator stays a 5. And that's it. That's all you'd write. On the 6 1/6, to do the U-turn here, we start at the 6, and it goes like this. 6 times 6 is 36, and then we come up here and we add 1, which gives us 37, and it's over 6, which is the denominator, so it stays the same. And so that would be the answer, 37 over 6. On the last one, 9 2/7. Again, we're going to go this direction. 7 times 9 is 63, plus 2 is 65, and that makes our new top. And then the 7 on the bottom stays the same. So that's it on those. Remember, multiply on the bottom, add the top to make your new top. Bottom stays the same. Looking at the improper fractions to mixed numbers, we're going to be dividing the bottom into the top. Remember, your top number always drops down inside the box, so it always goes like that. And then we divide 3 into 11. That goes in there 3 whole times, so that's your whole number, and that would be 9. When we subtract, we get 2 left over. Since that is our leftover, we take it and we put it on top or over our denominator, and our denominator again stays the same. Since it was 3 here, it's 3 here. So 11 over 3 is the same as 3 2/3. On the 50 over 4, again, bottom into top, so the box goes down here. The 50 drops down inside the box. 4 goes into 5 once, and we have 1 left over, and we keep dividing. 4 goes into 10 twice, which is 8, and we have 2 left over. And so that 2 is left over, so we put it over 4, which was our original denominator over here. And now we're going to look at this fraction, 2/4, and we know that that can be reduced because 2/4 is the same as 1/2. So we're going to reduce it to 12 1/2. Remember, the whole number will stay the same when you reduce. You only reduce the fraction. And when we did this first one, 2/3, 2/3 was reduced, so we didn't have to do anything with it. On the very last one down here, I'll erase a little bit of this. Again, drop the bottom or drop the top down into the box, and we divide bottom into top, and 5 goes into 20 4 whole times. That means that we have no remainder. We don't need to put the 0 over the 5, so the 20 over 5 is a whole number, so the answer is 4. So that's it. I hope that helps, and if you have any questions, send me an email or a text, however you want to get a hold of me, and I'll be happy to help. See you tomorrow. Bye.